How to import fonts into CapCut PC. Adding new fonts to CapCut on your PC can enhance your video projects with unique styles. Follow these steps to easily install new fonts for use in CapCut. Before you begin, make sure CapCut is closed. This ensures that the new font will be recognized once installed. Launch any web browser of your choice. For this guide, we'll use Google Chrome, but any browser will work. Navigate to a free font website. One popular option is DaFont. You can explore other sites offering free fonts if you prefer. Once on DaFont, you can browse through various categories. Look for fonts that catch your eye. For demonstration, let's say we find a font named the Queen. Next to your chosen font, click the Download button. This will save the font file, usually a zip, to your computer. The download location might vary based on your browser. It's typically found in the Downloads folder. Navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the zip file. Double-click to open it. Inside, you'll find the font file, often in .otf or .ttf format. If there are multiple files, you'll need to install each one individually. Double-click a font file to open a preview window, then click Install to add the font to your system. With the font now installed on your PC, reopen CapCut. The new font is ready to use in your projects. In CapCut, click on the Text tab at the top. Then, click the plus button to add text to your track. Type in your text, such as hello. Navigate to the font settings and select System to access your installed fonts. Scroll down to the System Fonts section. The new fonts you installed will appear here, above the default Windows fonts. Select the Queen or whichever font you installed. Your text will now display in the new font. Adjust its placement and color as needed to suit your project. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new font to CapCut on your PC. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like, share and subscribe.